Bali is an Indonesian island located in the westernmost end of the Lesser Sunda Islands, lying between Java to the west and Lombok to the east. It is one of the country's 33 provinces with the provincial capital at Denpasar towards the south of the island. Bali is the home of the country's largest Hindu population and the largest tourist destination in the world, with a yearly average of 4.3 million visitors. Bali's central mountains include several peaks over 3,000 meters in elevation. The highest is Mount Agung, known as the Mother Mountain, which stands at 3,031 meters and is an active volcano. The island's largest river is Aung River, which flows northwest through the island. Bali's culture is a rich tapestry of traditions, rituals, and customs that have been passed down through generations. Balinese culture is heavily influenced by Hinduism and Buddhism, and the island's many temples and shrines are an important part of daily life. Balinese people follow a calendar based on a 210-day cycle called the Paukan, which includes numerous festivals and ceremonies. Balinese dance, music, and art are also an important part of the island's culture and are celebrated in numerous festivals throughout the year. Overall, Bali is a vibrant and culturally rich destination that offers a unique and authentic cultural experience for travelers. There are many things to do in Bali, Indonesia, including: visit the beaches. Bali is home to many beautiful beaches, including Kuta Beach, Nusa Dua Beach, and Sanur Beach. Explore the temples. Bali is a predominantly Hindu island, and there are many ancient temples to visit, including Uluwatu Temple and Tanah Temple. Take a cooking class. Bali is known for its delicious food, and taking a cooking class is a great way to learn more about Balinese cuisine and culture. Go diving or snorkeling. Bali has some of the best diving and snorkeling in the world, with clear waters and a diverse array of marine life. Go whitewater rafting. Bali has several rivers that are perfect for whitewater rafting, including the Aung River and the Telegawaja River. Visit the rice terraces. Bali is home to many beautiful rice terraces, including the terraces in Jidala Awi and Tigalalong. Go shopping. Bali has many markets and shops where you can buy souvenirs and local handicrafts. Visit the monkey forest. The sacred monkey forest sanctuary in Ubud is home to hundreds of monkeys and is a popular tourist attraction. Take a yoga class. Bali is a popular destination for yoga enthusiasts, and there are many studios and retreats where you can take classes. Try traditional Balinese spa treatments. Bali is known for its spa treatments, which often include herbal body wraps and massages using local ingredients. Bali is home to many beautiful beaches, and Kuta Beach is one of the most popular. Located on the southern coast of the island, Kuta Beach is known for its long stretch of golden sand and great surf. The beach is very popular with tourists, and there are many restaurants, bars, and shops located nearby. Kuta Beach is also a great place to watch the sunset, and there are many beachside cafes and restaurants where you can relax and enjoy the view. If you're looking for a more laid-back beach experience, there are also many smaller, quieter beaches located along the coast, such as Legion Beach and Seminyak Beach. Overall, Kuta Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone visiting Bali. Taking a cooking class is a great way to learn more about Balinese cuisine and culture. Bali is known for its delicious food, which is influenced by both Indonesian and Chinese flavors. Some popular dishes to try in Bali include nasi goreng, fried rice, gado-gado, vegetables with peanut sauce, and babi guling, roasted pork. There are many cooking schools and classes available in Bali, which typically include a visit to a local market to buy ingredients, followed by a hands-on cooking class. During the class, you will learn how to prepare a variety of traditional dishes and will have the opportunity to ask questions and learn more about Balinese cooking techniques and ingredients. Many cooking classes also include a meal at the end, where you can taste the dishes you have prepared. Overall, taking a cooking class is a fun and interactive way to learn more about Balinese culture and try some delicious local food. Bali has some of the best diving and snorkeling in the world, with clear waters and a diverse array of marine life. The island is located in the Coral Triangle, which is home to the highest diversity of coral and fish species in the world. There are many dive sites to choose from in Bali, including shipwrecks, walls, and muck diving sites. Some popular dive sites include the USS Liberty shipwreck in Tulamben, the coral walls at Menjangan Island, and the muck diving sites at Amit. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced diver, there is something for everyone in Bali. If you prefer snorkeling, there are also many great spots to explore, such as Nusa Penida, Padang Bai, and Tulamben. Many dive and snorkel tours include equipment rental, so you don't need to worry about bringing your own gear. Overall, diving and snorkeling in Bali is an unforgettable experience that allows you to discover the incredible marine life of the Coral Triangle. Bali has several rivers that are perfect for whitewater rafting, including the Aung River and the Telegawaja River. Whitewater rafting is a thrilling adventure activity that involves navigating down a river in an inflatable raft, with the help of a guide. The Aung River is the longest river in Bali and is known for its challenging rapids and stunning scenery. The rafting route takes you through the Aung Valley, with its dense jungle, rice terraces, and waterfalls. The Telegawaja River is another popular rafting destination in Bali, with a longer route that takes you through the heart of the island. Both the Aung River and the Telegawaja River offer a variety of rafting trips for different skill levels, from beginner to expert. Many rafting tours include round-trip transport from your hotel, as well as equipment rental and a safety briefing. Overall, whitewater rafting in Bali is a great way to experience the island's natural beauty and get your adrenaline pumping. Bali has many markets and shops where you can buy souvenirs and local handicrafts. Shopping is a popular activity for tourists in Bali, and there are many markets, shops, and malls to choose from. Some popular shopping destinations in Bali include the Ubud Art Market, the Seminyak Square Shopping Mall, and the Kuta Art Market. The Ubud Art Market is located in the town of Ubud and is known for its local handicrafts and souvenirs, such as wood carvings, baskets, and paintings. The Seminyak Square Shopping Mall is located in the trendy neighborhood of Seminyak and is home to a variety of international and local brands. The Kuta Art Market is located in the busy tourist area of Kuta and is known for its cheap souvenirs and beachwear. Many shops in Bali also offer traditional Balinese spa products, such as essential oils, soaps, and incense. Overall, shopping in Bali is a great way to discover local products and bring home a piece of the island. The Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary in Ubud is home to hundreds of monkeys and is a popular tourist attraction. The monkey forest is located in the center of Ubud and is home to 3 temples, as well as a large population of long-tailed macaques. The monkeys are a protected species in Bali and are free to roam the forest and interact with visitors. The monkey forest is a popular destination for tourists, who come to observe the monkeys and learn about their behavior. There are also several guides available who can provide more information about the monkeys and the forest. Visitors are advised to be cautious when interacting with the monkeys, as they can be mischievous and may try to steal food or other items. Overall, the monkey forest is a fun and interesting destination for anyone visiting Ubud. Bali is a popular destination for yoga enthusiasts, and there are many studios and retreats where you can take classes. Yoga has become increasingly popular in recent years, and Bali is known for its beautiful and peaceful setting, which is ideal for yoga practice. There are many yoga studios and retreats located throughout the island, ranging from budget to luxury. Many studios offer a variety of classes for different skill levels, as well as workshops and special events. In addition to traditional yoga classes, many studios also offer classes in other disciplines, such as meditation, Pilates, and Qigong. Many studios also offer accommodation options, such as private rooms or dorms, for those who want to stay on site. Overall, practicing yoga in Bali is a great way to relax and rejuvenate while on vacation. Bali is known for its spa treatments, which often include herbal body wraps and massages using local ingredients. Spa treatments in Bali are typically offered at hotels, resorts, and standalone spas. Many spa treatments are inspired by traditional Balinese healing practices and use natural ingredients such as coconut oil, rice, and spices. Some popular treatments to try in Bali include the Balinese massage, which is a full-body massage that uses long strokes and pressure points to relax the muscles, and the Lulur body scrub, which exfoliates and nourishes the skin. Many spas also offer facial treatments, manicures, and pedicures. Spa treatments in Bali are generally very affordable, and many spas offer packages that include multiple treatments. Overall, experiencing a traditional Balinese spa treatment is a great way to relax and pamper yourself while on vacation. Bali is home to a wide range of hotels, ranging from budget guest houses to luxurious resorts. Here are a few of the best hotels in Bali. The Four Seasons Resort Bali at Jimbaran Bay. This luxurious resort is located on a private beach in Jimbaran and offers a range of amenities, including multiple swimming pools, a spa, and several dining options. The Chetty Club Tanah Gajah. This upscale hotel is located in the cultural village of Ubud and features a spa, a fitness center, and a restaurant. The Amankila. This luxury resort is located on a hill overlooking the sea in East Bali and offers a range of amenities, including a spa, a swimming pool, and a restaurant. The Hanging Gardens of Bali. This luxury hotel is located in the jungle in Ubud and features a spa, a swimming pool, and a restaurant. The Legion. This upscale hotel is located in the popular beach town of Legion and features a spa, a swimming pool, and a restaurant. The Samaya Seminyak. This luxurious resort is located in the trendy neighborhood of Seminyak and offers a range of amenities, including a spa, a swimming pool, and several dining options. The Anantara Seminyak Bali Resort. This luxury resort is located in Seminyak and features a spa, a swimming pool, and several dining options. The Nusa Dua Beach Hotel and Spa. This upscale hotel is located on a private beach in Nusa Dua and offers a range of amenities, including a spa, a swimming pool, and several dining options. The Kayumanis Jimbaran Private Estate and Spa. This luxury hotel is located in Jimbaran and features a spa, a swimming pool, and a restaurant. The Alila Villas Uluwatu. This luxurious resort is located on a cliff overlooking the sea in Uluwatu and offers a range of amenities, including a spa, a swimming pool, and a restaurant.